Hello everybody, Ben.beecher here, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. Today I'll be taking you through the 2018 Sea Ray 270 SDX. As you can see, the blue metallic paint job on the hull color looks absolutely amazing in the sunlight with the matching blue sports tower. We're going to take a walk around here and board the boat. Starting at the back of the boat, you can see we have the gray SeaDek, as well as a ladder, a boarding ladder, and also a fold-down step. Makes it extremely easy for getting in and out of the boat, as well as enjoying sitting in your favorite cove. Also back here we have an aft lounge, which is going to provide a great spot for hanging out when you're at anchor. Also, these seats will lift up into a more comfortable reclined position. All right, we walk inside the cockpit here. You'll see an in-floor cooler, as well as a folding side entry ladder for stepping on and off the dock very easily over the side. We walk inside the boat here. You see we have the white upholstery with the gray weave flooring. Matches beautifully. Plenty of under-seat storage. This one has a bow cushion in it, the filler cushion, we'll talk about in a second. Underneath this, we have a cooler. We walk forward here, we will have more in-floor storage. So plenty of room for all the water sports activities. We walk up forward here, passenger side. We have a full head compartment down there with a bump out head. And over at the helm, you have a bolster seat, as well as your gauge cluster here, electronic shift, and Mercury's active trim system, so you don't have to worry about trying to chase your trim around. It levels itself out. Forward here we have more storage underneath the helm with the forward table. As we come up front here, one of my favorite features about the SDX, this wide front seating area, the bow seating area. This one has a filler cushion which comes across here. And you can see there's plenty of room for everybody up here, as well as more storage. To top it off, up on the front, we do have a front boarding ladder, so you can board from the front and rear of the boat, as well as a washdown station, so everybody can clean off before coming into the boat. There you have it. The 2018 Sea Ray 270 SDX battery charger and very easy accessible engine room. 350 horse motor gives it plenty of power for a day of fun on the lake. Thank you for watching. Please contact me with any questions you may have on this 2018 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Thank you.